scissors and thread. Cut a cardboard strip of length 60 cm and breadth 7 cm. Draw 14 lines leaving 4 cm gap. Cut 4 circles of radius 2.5 cm and fold and stick like this. Now take a small thread and stick these circles at the end of thread. Cut some small circles and stick on the thread. Make 14 of them from small to big size of different colors. Now we will make flowers. Make 7 more of different colors. Now we will stick the strings on the lines which we had drawn before. Cover the cardboard strip with light pink paper. Now bend the cardboard strip in a circle and stick like this. Take the 4 threads and tie it like this. Now we will stick the flowers on the cardboard strip. Done! If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Bye bye!